Don't let your pimples ruin your day and your ganaps. Have your easy acne solution at home with Dermaid. So let's go. I am trying this Dermaid products. First is the soap every morning with salicylic acid and tea tree oil. Unclog pores to help reduce acne, reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Best for acne prone skin and lightens the appearance of pores. And then after that, I am using the Dermaid Acne Sunscreen SPF 50. So colorant free and paraben free, fragrance free, 19 natural extract acne care plus sun protection. So every evening, I am using acne back spray para sa mga acne ko sa likod. Lalo na sobrang init ngayon, init ulan ang nangyayari. Then after that, I am trying this Dermaid Acne Drying Solution. Sobrang ganda nito kasi meron siyang cooling effect. Lalo na kung meron kang mga tigyawat na namumula-mula, no? Nadadry talaga niya yung ating mga pimples. This can help reduce the acne-causing bacteria, unclog pores, and improve the appearance of acne marks. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga ito kaya ang dami kong nilagay since oily ang aking face. So this is acne mud mask naman. It can also dries out the pimple and lightens the acne scars and minimizes the scars also. So what are you waiting for? Be part of the transformative shopping culture. For every purchase of any Dermaid, portion of it will goes to Save the Children Fund to Save program. At hindi lang yan, get a chance to win MacBook Air 13, Philips headphone, and more. Just simply buy any Dermaid products worth 599 single receipt purchase. What are you waiting for? Shop now here in my Yellow Basket, Watson, and SM Beauty Store nationwide.